Okay, so this is a short update to catch up because I fucked up yesterday and didn't put anything. But I just feel shitty in general. Again, like usual, it's just nothing new. I don't feel worse than I did yesterday. I feel better than yesterday, but I still feel really fucking bad. But anyway, taking my medication. Fuck. It's anxiety pills. I should take one of those before I leave. That's true. Alright. Well, I'll try to do the second one today. To make up for yesterday, but it's just, an update for now. See what happens. And it's past 1 minute, so bye.